How to fix Twitter fleets not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Log and Delete. In this video, I'm gonna show you the simplest way to fix Twitter fleets not showing. Twitter fleets are basically stories of the Twitter. Now let's jump straight into the process. First, you have to make sure you have updated your Twitter app to the latest version. For that, open your Play Store, search for the app Twitter, update if any updates are available. You can see that my Twitter is up to date as it is showing the option of open. Now just close your Play Store, long press on your Twitter app, go to this option app info. At the bottom you can see that option of clear data, tap on it. Now tap on the option clear cache, tap on OK. This is surely gonna solve your problem. If still it doesn't show Twitter fleets, you have to uninstall your Twitter. For that, long press on your Twitter app, tap on app info. At the bottom you can see that uninstall option, tap on it, tap on OK. After it is installed, again reinstall your Twitter. Also at the last you can just restart your phone. In this way you can fix Twitter fleets not showing. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.